All right, so my name is Chelsea. Internal validity is the extent to which an experiment can claim that a specific variable caused the result. So, a common example of this being practiced is if a psychologist is conducting an experiment and would like to compare a traditional treatment versus a new treatment. In order to ensure the subjects involved were not affected by any external sources during the experiment that could result in a change in the results, the psychologist must attain a high level of validity. So, fortunately, there are several threats to internal validity that can affect how the experiment results. So, manipulation is one of these and can be involved. This can range from unequal dosages of medicine being given, if that's what the treatment involved, the type of medication that was being given, or even how the treatment was being administered. So that could be one group got pills and the other group got a needle or something, but it was the same medicine, just in a different form. That could also have something to do with it. So it's basically anything that changes within both groups. So that needs to be equal in order for validity to take place. So that's pretty much it in how manipulation specifically would affect internal validity. Thank you.